How to get bank statement on Scotia Bank. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can do it. First thing you have to do is log into your Scotia Bank on your app, or you could just use the web browser. And once you're successfully logged in, you will see your homepage right here where you'll be able to see all of your account updates. And right at the bottom, you'll see the more option at the corner. And then from here, you'll be able to see profile and settings. So simply tap on it and head over there. After you landed on your profile page, at the bottom you'll have an option that says Manage Documents. Click on it and here you'll be able to ask for a confirmation. Click on OK. Now select the type of e-statement that you want to get and then click on Continue. Once you've done that, select the delivery option if you want a digital, paper, or paper with check images. I'm just going to select digital here, and once you've selected that, tap on Continue. Now here it will ask you for your email, so just enter the email that's connected with your account and then tap on Register. And once you've done that, your update will be successful. Here you might have to wait up to 48 hours, and within that time period, the bank will email you with your statement. But if you do not get the statement within that time period, it is a good idea to contact your bank. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.